Hola clase. Today we're going to learn the verb to be in Spanish. So let's just review to be in English. It is the most irregular verb that we have, and the conjugations are as follows. The first person singular is I am, second person you are, third person he, she, or it is. The plural side we are, you all or y'all are, and they are. So just remember this chart. Always on this side, it's one person only, and on this side, it's referring to more than one person. So the verb ser in Spanish is how you say I am, and this is for a permanent state or condition. So the first person singular is yo soy, soy. You don't need this to say the yo because it is very obvious that soy is only for the I form. Tú eres, usted es, él or ella es, nosotros or nosotras somos, vosotros, vosotras sois, ustedes son, ellos and ellas son. So notice that usted and ustedes are second person. They mean you, but they're the exact same as he, she is, or they are. So it's kind of like saying you formal is, and you all is. But you just have to remember that they are the second person, but they are just like the third person. So some examples. Yo soy Rafael. Or I could just say, soy Rafael. Ella es Marta. Es Marta. Él es Rafael. Es Rafael. Tú eres malo. So she's saying you are bad. Tú eres. Nosotras somos amigas. Notice they're all girls, so it's nosotras. But somos is the same for nosotros. Nosotros somos amigos because it's mixed group. Nosotros somos Alex y Felipe. Ellos son Sonia y Paco. So they are. Ellos son. Sonia y Paco son novios. So they're boyfriend and girlfriend. Nosotros somos novios también. So we are. So to recap, soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. You just have to try to memorize this, maybe look for a song or a rap on YouTube, but somehow along the way, you just have to put this information into your brain. So just remember, for these four right here, you absolutely do not have to say yo, tú, or nosotros, vosotros, because it's very clear who is being, okay? But for these, yes, you do clarify. So when do you use ser? You use it for permanent conditions, so to identify people and things. So if I ask, ¿Quién es ella? Es Marisa. You should recognize her. Es americana. Es estudiante. Es de los Estados Unidos. If I ask you, ¿Qué es? What is it? Es una maleta. You're identifying it. You also use ser to talk about someone's occupation, and when you're a student, it's considered your occupation. Jimena es estudiante. Yo soy profesora, or yo soy profesor if you're a boy. So notice you don't say I am a student or a professor. You just omit it when talking about an occupation. Él es médico. Ella es dentista. You use it to express origin along with the preposition de. ¿De dónde es Marisa? Es de los Estados Unidos. ¿De dónde soy yo? Yo soy de Florida. Practiquemos. So for this activity, we'll do number 1 together and then you can pause the presentation. But basically, if you can shorten the subject to just the subject pronoun, you do so, and then put in the blank the verb ser that goes with the subject. So number 1, Julia y Marta. Julia y Marta are 2 girls. It would be they, girls. And then what goes with they? Son. Ellas son amigas. Go ahead and pause the presentation. Okay, you should have yo soy profesora. Tú y Javier would become you all plural. Ustedes is the acceptable way to say it on this side of the world. If we were in Spain, it would be vosotros sois estudiantes de BSc. So this should be an S there. Ustedes son estudiantes. You all are students is how we're going to use it here. Mi amiga y yo. If I am a girl, it could be nosotras. If I am a boy, it would be nosotros. So, nosotros somos de México. We are from Mexico. I don't even need the nosotros. Somos de México. But if like I said, if it were a girl, this would be nosotras. Mario es mi novio. Él es mi novio. Usted, you can't shorten. Usted es mi médico. I hope that helps. Reach out if you need anything.